Incredible AI tools for students. Artificial intelligence, AI, has made its way into various aspects of our lives, transforming industries and revolutionizing the way we live and work. In the field of education, AI has proven to be a game changer, offering a plethora of innovative tools and applications that enhance students' learning experiences and academic achievements. From personalized learning platforms to AI-driven tutoring systems, these incredible AI tools are reshaping the educational landscape and empowering students in ways never thought possible before. Personalized learning platforms. One of the most remarkable contributions of AI to education is personalized learning platforms. These platforms leverage AI algorithms to assess each student's strengths, weaknesses, learning styles, and pace. By analyzing data from various sources, such as assessments, quizzes, and homework, AI can create personalized learning pathways tailored to each student's needs. Personalized learning platforms offer a more engaging and effective educational experience, as students receive content and exercises that align with their abilities and interests. This approach fosters a deeper understanding of the material, reduces frustration, and enables students to progress at their own pace, ultimately leading to improved academic outcomes. Intelligent tutoring systems. AI-driven intelligent tutoring systems go beyond traditional tutoring methods by providing personalized and adaptive support to students. These systems use machine learning algorithms to analyze student performance, identify areas of struggle, and offer targeted assistance and feedback. Intelligent tutoring systems can mimic one-on-one interactions with human tutors, guiding students through complex problems, explaining concepts, and adapting their teaching strategies based on individual progress. As a result, students benefit from immediate feedback, continuous assessment, and personalized learning support, all of which contribute to better retention and mastery of the subject matter. Language learning applications. Language learning has become more accessible and effective thanks to AI-powered applications. These apps leverage natural language processing (NLP) and machine learning to help students improve their language skills through interactive exercises, pronunciation feedback, and real-time language practice. AI language learning apps can recognize speech patterns, detect pronunciation errors, and provide corrective feedback, helping students refine their language abilities. Additionally, these apps often use gamification techniques to make the learning process more enjoyable and engaging. Virtual reality and augmented reality learning. AI's integration with virtual reality (VR) and augmented reality (AR) have unlocked new dimensions of immersive learning experiences. These technologies enable students to interact with 3D models, explore historical landmarks, and engage in simulations, bringing abstract concepts to life and enhancing learning retention. For instance, medical students can practice complex surgical procedures in a virtual environment, and history students can virtually travel to historical events and witness pivotal moments. These experiences promote active learning and critical thinking, making education more captivating and impactful. Plagiarism detection tools. AI-powered plagiarism detection tools have become essential assets for educational institutions to maintain academic integrity. These tools use sophisticated algorithms to compare students' work against vast databases of published material, detecting instances of plagiarism or improper citation. Plagiarism detection tools not only uphold academic honesty but also encourage students to develop their critical thinking and research skills. By providing feedback on proper citation and originality, these tools foster a culture of academic integrity and responsible scholarship. AI-enhanced learning management systems (LMS). Learning management systems (LMS) have become fundamental in modern education, and AI is elevating their capabilities further. AI-enhanced LMS platforms can automate administrative tasks such as grading and course organization, allowing teachers to focus more on instruction and student engagement. Moreover, AI can analyze student data from LMS platforms, offering insights into student performance patterns and engagement levels. This information empowers educators to identify struggling students early on and implement interventions to support their learning journey effectively. Adaptive testing and assessment. AI has transformed traditional testing and assessment methods by introducing adaptive testing. Adaptive assessments use AI algorithms to customize the difficulty and content of the test based on each student's responses, As students answer questions, the AI algorithm continually assesses their abilities and adjusts the difficulty level accordingly. This approach results in more accurate assessments, reduced test fatigue, and precise evaluation of each student's proficiency level. AI-powered content creation. AI tools can also contribute to content creation for educational materials. Natural language generation (NLG) algorithms can generate written content, such as lesson summaries, study guides, and explanations, to supplement educational resources. Additionally, AI-driven content creation can produce interactive multimedia materials, such as video lectures, animations, and simulations, enriching the learning experience and catering to diverse learning preferences. Collaborative learning platforms. AI has enhanced collaborative learning environments by facilitating intelligent grouping and promoting effective teamwork. Collaborative learning platforms powered by AI can analyze students' strengths, interests, and learning styles to create diverse and complementary groups for projects and assignments. By pairing students with different skills and perspectives, AI fosters collaboration, communication, and problem-solving among peers. Collaborative learning not only allows students to learn from each other, but also encourages the exchange of ideas and the development of essential interpersonal skills. Early intervention and student support. AI's data analytics capabilities play a crucial role in identifying students who may be at risk of falling behind or struggling academically. By analyzing academic performance, attendance, and engagement data, AI can pinpoint early signs of academic challenges or disengagement. Educators can then use this information to intervene promptly and offer targeted support to struggling students. Early intervention can prevent students from falling further behind and help them get back on track academically. The incredible AI tools available to students today are reshaping the landscape of education, fostering personalized and engaging learning experiences, and empowering students to reach their full potential. From personalized learning platforms to intelligent tutoring systems, AI-driven language learning apps, and VR/AR learning experiences, these tools offer innovative ways to enhance learning, retention, and academic success. As AI continues to evolve, the possibilities for transforming education are boundless. The integration of AI in education not only facilitates a deeper understanding of academic subjects, but also equips students with essential 21st century skills, such as critical thinking, problem-solving, and adaptability. With the continued development and adoption of AI tools, educators and students can look forward to a future of enriched learning experiences, where technology and human intelligence synergistically converge to unlock new frontiers of knowledge and achievement. As AI becomes an integral part of the educational journey, it will undoubtedly play a pivotal role in shaping the next generation of learners and thinkers, propelling them toward a brighter and more intellectually empowered future. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.